Hello, I'm Rich Offord, and in this infrastructure and energy snapshot, I'm going to talk about heat pumps and the potential for their widespread deployment in the UK. A change in the way we heat our homes and buildings is essential to meeting net zero emissions targets. To do so, the government has estimated that more than 30 million homes and businesses in the UK will need to be decarbonised, and heat pumps are likely to play a crucial part in that. Heat pump technology is not new, but due to the prevalence of other heat sources, in particular gas boilers in the UK, there are a number of barriers that need to be overcome to help unlock their potential. The first of these is the upfront and running costs. Despite the rollout of various government policies to help support the retrofit of heat pumps, including the boiler upgrade scheme and zero rate VAT relief for installation and materials, the significant upfront cost of heat pump installations remains a barrier to entry, particularly in the retrofit market. The second barrier is the manufacturing, installation, and supply chain capability in the UK. For widespread deployment, clearly the manufacturing and supply chain capability will need to improve, although a number of key players, both domestically and in the wider European market, have already scaled up their production. The number of trained and accredited installers will also need to increase, and government schemes, such as the Heat Training Grant, have been introduced to try and ensure that this happens. The final barrier we wanted to highlight today is customer confidence. There has been a lot of media comment about heat pumps, with claims that they are only suitable in highly insulated buildings, or that they don't work in older buildings, to name but a few examples. Those in the industry assure us that none of these things are true if a system is designed, sized, and installed correctly, but customers will need to buy into this in order to ensure widespread uptake. None of these barriers is insurmountable, and key proposed regulatory measures, including the Future Homes and Building Standards in 2025 and the phase-out of the sale of most new fossil fuel boilers from 2035, mean that new technology in the heat market is essential. Whether heat pumps will lead the way remains to be seen, but the potential is certainly there. When it comes to the deployment of heat pumps, there are of course a number of legal issues to consider. Whether you're a manufacturer, an installer, an operator, a developer, or an investor, we can help you navigate the key contractual, regulatory, and other issues you will likely encounter in this emerging market. For more commentary on the energy and infrastructure sector generally, see our regular Infrastructure Spotlight publication. If you have any questions or would like to discuss our offering in this area in more detail, do please get in touch. Thank you for watching.